Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to normally it's AI and coffee, but today, lemonade. It is about it's 4 o'clock in the PM here on Monday, August 3rd, 2026. We're going to get you some good information here very quickly. The number one thing I want to share with you today is this story that happened last week that I know puts a lot of fear in people, and it should at least make you think about how you are using some of these tools. But some of the Claude chats that happened were found to be indexed on Google. So we're going to talk about that, and I'm going to give you the quick 60-second fix to make sure that this does not happen to you. Let's jump into the story here. So here's what actually happened. There was a community in Reddit that noticed something that they really didn't expect to see, and that was Google search returning some of these Claude conversations. Now, in these conversations, and this is what's alarming, were things like cryptocurrency wallet keys. What are you doing sharing that in your Claude anyway? But other things that maybe we kind of take for granted or don't think about, and that is sensitive personal and business information, personal names and addresses, work notes, and programming chats, things like that. And if you're talking certain things, this could be proprietary. It could be things that you don't want your competitors to see, or a multitude of things like that. So we've got to really be thinking about this stuff. Now, I want to share with you what actually happened here, because it's not like this was hacked or something nefarious happened. It was actually a lesson that I've recently learned in some of the work that I'm doing with different AI agents, and I think it's a good seed to plant in your head. So I hope you're still with me on this video. But Claude has a share button inside of the chat. Now, this isn't in Cowork, it's not in Codex, it's only in the chat feature, and you can share things, artifacts, chats with other people. Now, we kind of assume this is just between us and them. And it's not your fault if you feel that way. Like, even for me, sometimes it's hard because we've been trained for the last 20 years, especially with email, that we type an email, we send information, we get it back, and we feel there's this certain amount of safety that's involved with that. So now when we're sharing these things, we kind of have that in our mindset, but it's totally different, because in this case, what's happening is when you share that information, it's actually creating this live URL, basically a website with that information. So now the other issue, because it is supposed to be private, but you are sharing a web page, right? Now, Anthropic tried to keep this out of search, and they did a couple of different things. One is what's called a robots.txt file, and this is designed to stop Google from reading the page at all. In the header, it actually has a do not index instruction. So again, this is two things that are supposed to stop this from being indexed in Google. Now, what was found here was, with the two safety measures in place, they canceled each other out. They canceled each other out. Now, how does this apply to some of the stuff that I've recently uncovered and worked on? Well, we've been in Claude Opus 4.8, and I've created AI assistants, and you've probably heard me talk about Barnabas and how I've been training it for the last year, and it's really come into its own in the last 6 months with agentic AI, and everything has been amazing, and it just kept getting better and better. Well, Opus 5 launched, and just everything seemed to go to hell on me, and nothing was really working very well. So I transferred over to ChatGPT, and I audited my Claude and, kind of worked through all of this stuff. Did a lot of research online and forums and seeing what other people were experiencing. And of course, in my mind, it was just Opus was not good. It was inferior to 4.8. And of course, I'm blaming the model and not blaming myself. Now, if I've learned anything, when you are getting mad or upset when you're using AI, that is the time to take the step back and realize most of the time it's not the system, it's you and how you're applying yourself to it. And you just don't know what you don't know many times. So it takes pushing back and experience and all that to get this figured out. But what was happening in 4.8, everything was working. When we got to Opus 5, it broke because there were all these different systems that I had in place and they were starting to cancel each other out. So either it wouldn't know what to do and it would drift, or it just wouldn't do the thing at all that I wanted it to do and it would just go hog wild. So basically, it went from what I felt was a finely tuned machine to kind of riding some kind of crazy bull in a rodeo feeling. So that's kind of what is happening here. So two different things that were meant to protect this, they just canceled each other out. And this isn't the first time this happened. ChatGPT or Claude 1 had this issue last year in 2025, and it's not the first time that this has happened. That's my point with that. So what's the quick lesson here that we can learn? That most of us use these tools are not thinking about things like these robot text files. We are drafting a client email, we're cleaning up a spreadsheet, we're working through pricing questions, and then we just click share with a colleague, and we just assume it works like forwarding some kind of an email. And it does not work that way. On Claude and other AI tools, when you click that button, I want you to be aware you are creating a public web page with the URL. Now, of course, there's things don't share with anybody but who you send the link to, or this or that or the other, and you feel like you're protecting yourself. But I can't say this enough. And it goes back to what we used to say in social media. Don't say anything that you wouldn't say in public on social media. And in this case, treat everything you share when you click that button as if it were public. That is the safest, best possible route that you can go. Do not paste a wallet key. For the love of everything that is holy, do not be pasting passwords, wallet keys, secret keys, passwords, social security numbers, payroll files, any of that type of data into this system and then you just share it. That is absolutely not the way to go. Please listen to me. I'm going to say it one more time. Write it down, tattoo it on your hand so you remember this, but treat anything you share as if it were going pure public. That is the safest possible route. Okay, so let's jump into Claude here and actually see how we can kind of prevent ourselves. This is a quick 60-second thing that you can do. Right now, the instructions are on your screen. Okay, so you go down here to the bottom where your name is. On the bottom left, you click that and you find your settings tab, which will be the very first one here at the top. Now, you want to go to the third one on the left here. It says privacy. You're going to click that and you're going to scroll down just a little bit and you'll see your data. You'll see shared chats and shared artifacts. Now, you can click these to manage. So in this case, shared chats, you can click that. I don't have any shared chats. Say that 5 times in a row real fast. But I do have some shared artifacts, so I can show you there. Same thing, same philosophy. So shared artifacts, click that, manage. Now, you can go through here and see what it is you've shared and then what status and visibility that has. Now, again, just because it's private, what did we say? If you share anything, make sure that you would be comfortable sharing it in public. Never get too passive with this. I would go through and make sure each one of these was okay if you just shared it on LinkedIn or Facebook or YouTube or whatever. So just make sure that that's okay. If not, if it's public, you can change it here to private, public, and then of course you can go over here and delete. That's it for today. I hope this helped. My name is Harrison Painter, and together we'll go further, faster. Glad you're here.